It's an honor for us to share with you, dear viewers, what we have in store for our sewing etiquette and management program. We, the Wise Makers, aim to create sustainable covers with fine textures to ensure the delicate features of our products. So, we will be presenting the simple guidelines for making cozy pillowcases.
The materials we need are the following: fabric scissors, pins, threads, needles, measuring tape, ruler, tailor's chalk, fabric, and iron.
The first step in making a pillowcase is to measure the pillow. Consider its length and width. Then, write the measurements on paper. After that, it's time to measure the fabric. Now, you need to add the length of the pillow by itself, so length plus length. Then, add another 4.5 inches to the sum. Next, don't forget to measure the width of the pillow, but this time you only need to add it by 1 inch. After taking note of the measurement, prepare the fabric and start by folding the edge of the width with an iron 2 times. Pin it carefully and repeat the same process on the other side. Then sew both edges, applying backstitch, which is common in stitching fabrics securely. Next, measure the side fabric on the right by subtracting the estimated length of the pillow by 4 inches. Mark it because that is where we are supposed to fold each side. Then measure the same side again, but this time according to the estimated length of the pillow. And fold it to the center. Secure the edges, applying backstitch. For the final touch, iron the pillowcase.
As entrepreneurs, we must be intimately aware of our environment and know how to connect with people. We must know how to handle conversations and maintain respect when communicating. When it comes to selling, it is essential to know first what the people want and need to see the relevance of our product. We need to promote strategic thinking by gathering meaningful information to keep up with the trend. As we have observed, the internet has enhanced the idea of marketing. Now that we are in the digital era, the internet has become the world's market arena. So we decided to utilize the internet since more people have turned to the virtual world for almost anything.
Social media marketing increases our connections, which allows us to extend our community. We, the Wise Makers, taps on Facebook and Instagram to showcase our designs and to advertise our products. Since Facebook and Instagrams are the most widely used app in the in-demand marketplace as of today. With the help of these platforms, we can also post videos demonstrating the procedures of our products. Aside from that, the customers can directly interact and message us through these platforms. Our team acknowledges people's reviews on our programs, especially on our performance. Their feedbacks and comments helps us to determine our assets, the areas that we need to improve. Being people-oriented is one of the factors that we Wise Makers takes into heart. We believe that this is our way of connecting with people. Aside from that, we also make posters, and this is also our way of gaining more potential customers and eventually extending our platforms. And it promotes our service and the values proposition we have, directly plugging other social media sites for direct inquiries and transactions.
Part of being an entrepreneur is knowing how to audit and manipulate numbers, and overall how to manage financial statements. It is essential to record our expenses, including the total purchases of all the materials needed. It is how we can set a realistic budget plan. So our team researched the usual price of each item, and we have estimated as 600 pesos for all materials. And after doing some calculation, we have decided to range our price around 100 pesos. We must consider the cost of each tool to map out our direction of our financial statement. The purchases we have made are part of our direct cost. They are crucial in the computation of our profit, which we are able to subtract from our total revenue. The revenue refers to all sales earned, the total amount of pillowcases sold.
Starting a business project is indeed not an easy task or job. One must understand that this type of management is the same as developing relationships. Building reports or connections increases our level of stability. The services that we provide is crucial for us to be acknowledged by many. And knowing how to manage financial statements ultimately lead us to success. Indeed, it is necessary to visualize first the entirety of our program, the projects we provide, set realistic goals, equip ourselves with entrepreneurial skills, and commit to establishing the sense of presence in the community.